How to download Audible books to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Audible application on your phone. Audible app is used to purchase and stream audiobooks, podcasts, and other spoken word content. As you get there, select the library from the bottom panel. This section contains your personal collection of audiobooks and podcasts you've added. Then, tap on the overflow menu of your desired audiobook as shown. Now, select Download from the pop-up and the audiobook will start downloading. As it's downloaded, you can play it from the menu. You can also navigate through the book by 30s forward icon which skips the audio forward by 30 seconds. There's also a next icon which moves you to the next chapter or track. Following these steps, you can easily download Audible books to iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.